Welcome back guys to Not Bad Parents. Today,
we're making teacher gifts.
So we're gonna be making snowman jars with white chocolate pretzels and eyes and a carrot nose and some ribbon for the hat to give to the kids' teachers. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
Ready, Miles?
yeah.
All right, so the first thing you're gonna need is some ribbon. And I found these jars at Dollar Tree, $1 each. We got the white chocolate pretzels.
And Amanda, how much did you spend at the Dollar Tree the other day?
$50. It wasn't just on this though, it was on other things. Lots of other things.
$50?
But anyway, Chris, also you need orange paper, black construction paper, a marker just to draw the carrot nose and the eyes, scissors, and glue.
And Mommy already drawn on
So I already drew the carrot nose. I think the first thing we're gonna do is cut out the pieces we need for the eyes and the carrot nose and the mouth. So let's get going. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Got the eyes and the nose and the carrot
and the knife
and the mouth.
mouth.
Yes.
I didn't see knife.
And they came out pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
So now we have to fill it with
Pretzel.
So this is gonna be like the snow inside of its head. Let's fill it up while I fill it. Hey, you do this one. You can fill that one. Michelle, you wanna fill this one?
Yeah.
So we also got some peppermint pretzels too. Fill that one with that.
Yeah.
Love it.
That's enough?
So I think half a bag fills each head. See, is there any more in there? Yep, put them in. Perfect. Because we gotta give them to your teacher as a present. What do you think? Came out pretty good. All right, put his hat on.
Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah, Michelle, wow, that one filled it all very good. We can put some of
Here's
those
the
in.
hat.
All right, fill half of this
This
bag.
is Josie.
This looks
Miles'
really good.
head doesn't look very full.
Uh-oh, we need some more in here. Miles, your head got an empty head.
That's a blade. Wait, that's a blade.
We didn't even need this bag.
Perfect. Well, I might need it for another one. All right, let's fill up his brain.
No, too full.
Too full now?
Oh wait, not full enough.
Ha!
You just did it.
What does it look? How does it look? Good? All right, so now we got the heads full of snow. We have to do the hat. So we gotta make put some ribbon around his hat. So you guys can pick whatever color you like. I was thinking red for mine. What color do you want?
I want gold.
Miles gonna do gold.
I like the gold radio.
Here's his gold ribbon.
I'm doing
I like
silver.
the
Michelle's
gold
doing
radio.
silver.
I like the gold radio.
gold, silver and
Gold. Uh-oh, this is the hardest part of ribbon is you can never find the end of it.
Five hours later.
Sometimes you just gotta cut right in the middle. Oh well. Alright, so you can try to tie it around. I'm gonna do red. So when I think of a ribbon, the rim around a hat, I think of red. So you just tie around the top and then just do a little tie. That should be good.
I'm doing a bow in the front.
Ooh, that's a good idea. And then you can curl it after, or you can add some more ribbon, or you can get a bow. That would be a good idea too.
Wait, I'm gonna like fill up the top. I wanna like fill up the top.
You want me to help you?
Yes.
So I'm tying Miles' ribbon now.
I wanna fill up.
You do?
I wanna fill up the.
I don't think we can because of the top of the.
Like not like on here. I wanna put it into like the.
Got it, Michelle. Good job. Does anyone know the trick to curling ribbon? I think I finally got this down. This is a dangerous thing, so Miles, back up. So you take the blade of your scissors and you take your thumb and you swirl.
6-inch ribbon curls.
What movie that's from? Kids?
No.
6-inch ribbon curls? Do you guys know at home? Elf, right?
Mm-hmm.
Knew it.
Oh yeah.
Mine wasn't tied enough. Redo it. Well, let's see, Michelle, how's yours coming out? Oh, look at the
I
cute little girl.
always do this.
And then I got some nice bags to put these in. With some tissue paper.
This is like my hair.
This is a perfect little teacher's present.
Did you spend more on the bag than you did the jar?
No. I actually got the bags 2 for $1, and the jar was $1.
Shit. Is that part of the 50 you spent at the dollar store?
No. I got those at Shaw's
Oh, boy.
later. All right, so what do you guys think?
Good.
These came out pretty cute. I like them.
Thanks for my present, guys.
Hey, that's
This is for our teacher.
Oh.
All right, so now, should we put them in the bags for you guys to see the bags?
And look at
There's 1
this.
bag. There's 2. And 3. Gotta have your tissue paper. All right, so open up your bags.
This is.
First, make sure that your glue is dry, because, oh yeah, mine's not dry yet. I should not put that in. How about yours?
I'm putting mine.
Mine's is good.
Oh, I can't open it.
You got it? So we take out. First, put the tissue in. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. What? You got a good idea?
Put the jar in first.
Oh, and then the tissue over it. Miles knows how to wrap bags.
Me too.
All right, awesome. I always take this plastic thing off because I always forget to do that.
Ah, the signature not bad way of getting rid of garbage.
Exactly. That's how you do it.
What?
Michelle, you need some tissue paper? You know what? I can never understand why tissue paper is so much money. It's like $3 for a roll of tissue paper. I feel like you could just use like Kleenex and it would be the same thing.
Then you should use Kleenex.
I know,
Supply and
right?
demand, man. Somebody had a good idea and they're gonna charge you for it.
Can I use another?
Yeah. The more tissue paper,
I'm sorry, are you using another piece of that $3 pack tissue
that's
paper?
very true, Michelle.
How about you use smaller pieces? Half
And
a
the key
piece.
is to fluff it out and then make it look like there's more in there. So look, this is only 1 piece, but I made it look like a lot. See that?
Yeah, me
This is
too.
a fluff, the act of fluffing it out.
Is that a flocked
This is a flocked bag.
bag?
It's very soft. Wait, no, it's not very soft. I don't know.
We still don't get it.
We still don't get it. All right, well, what do you guys think? Do we do it? There you go, a cheap, fast, fun way to make a teacher present. What do you guys think?
Good.
Yeah, was that good?
Yeah.
All right, well, thanks for joining us and making these crafts with us.
Don't forget to get the milk.
Happy Vlogmas.
Happy Vlogmas.
I hope you have a good job next day.
I'm here too.